Welcome to Getting Started with MetaTrader 4, Part 4. Now we're going to help you to see how to use that template that you downloaded to get your charts up and running and looking like ours. So first we're going to close our market window. We're going to close one of the price charts here because usually we're using 3 charts. Now notice if I go window, tile windows, it'll tile them like that if there's 3. I can tile horizontally. However, I prefer tile vertically. Now notice it will always put the charts in order as they're listed down here. Dollar Swiss first, Euro Pound second, and then the Aussie dollar third. If I was to move this, like click and drag and move over the Australian dollar and then go to window, tile vertically, you now notice that the Australian dollar is in the middle as it is here. Now we gave you 2 templates to download. And we're going to take these charts down to, we're going to click on the dollar Swiss and we're going to make that a 1 hour. We're then going to take the second one and make it a 4 hour. And we're going to take this last one and we're going to make it a daily chart. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make these all, let's just say they're all going to be oil. And we're going to just click and drag oil, and you can see how that changes everything. And then we're going to close the Market Watch window. Now these are the native time frame charts, as you can see here on MetaTrader. And we want to be able to make some customized time frames. And so we have that special chart converter indicator that you will have downloaded. And so when we right click on this 1 hour chart, we're going to apply the template with chart converter. And on this one, on the 4 hour, we're going to apply the chart converter. And that's because of the following. I'm going to right click. We're going to look at the indicators that are on this chart, and you can see the chart converter indicator. So we're going to edit that, and you can see here, do you see this number? This is the multiplier. So 2 times 1 will create a 2 hour chart for us, and the 2 times the 4 will create an 8 hour chart for us. Now when it comes to the daily chart, we're not going to create a 2-day chart. So we're just going to right click, and we're just going to put on the basic that we see right there. Why do we do that? Because that chart converter takes some resources, and we don't want to load or bog down your computer with running that indicator. Now how do we get the 2 and the 8 hour chart? We have to go to File, open Offline. You can see it took a second to build that the first time. And we're going to scroll down to where we see crude oil, and you're going to see a 2 hour and an 8 hour. We have to double click the 2 hour. You can see it opened. We're going to go back into File, open Offline. Scroll down to crude oil. And we're going to get the 8 hour chart. And there we have them. Now one thing that's very, very important. The data to build this 8 hour and this 2 hour, they're coming from these 2 charts. So the 1 hour is creating the data to make the 2 hour. The 4 hour is creating the data for the 8 hour. If you close the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart, these charts will stop working and you'll just have to reset them from the beginning like we've done in this presentation. Now all we have to do is hit right click on the chart, template again. And again, we want the basic because we don't need the chart converter on these. And now what we're going to do, we don't want to tile these windows because it'll tile all 5. We just want to resize the 2 hour over the 1 hour. And then we're going to resize the 8 hour over the 4 hour. And there you have it. This is how you can quickly get charts up and running very easily in MetaTrader by using the templates that you can download from our website. Thanks for spending some time with me in this video, and I'll see you in the trading sessions.